my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today's topic is about social media president alias Eddie Murphy. If they do live video, police come where for they do the live video. My darling people. So as police come, me come the shock say, I would dey press bell this night, this kind night. Now I come say na police. So neighbors, me like say na neighbors, na call police say Eddie Murphy too dey shout for social media. So I come dey wonder say, my darling people, wetin una be expect? Me dey even dey wonder if these people wey dey do saga for social media now, I dey wonder say if they do live video, whether they not dey people not dey their compound or people not dey the area at all. Because the way they take the shout, they even they fear me. If they shout today, not go there. If they shout, me go dey wonder. People not dey this compound. How the people go just dey shout like this? So I can't shock where I say police can say because he get one that day, that one they do you. And so neighbor just shout say that one whether they call Ivie, that one they do you that day. Now so if they walk out for street they shout. Now so one girl your shout for them, say to the shout, you know. Because me the wonder say people not there they are coupled. If they shout to the especially social media president, if they shout the night, me the wonder now only one they are coupled. Because my house here now, I know say if you do anything where you like, nobody they disturb, but not be the night I will come the shout. God forbid. So I can't shock where police come. I go put the video more than see where police come press bell. You know, police come tell and say it will they shout, make it take am easy. Say neighbors that he call police for her. You know, I can say, I foresee. I once say I be there by the house. I been only they just did the compound. Nobody they even they disturb them. But yesterday when social media president did live video, as if say see the shout. Because the thing they surprise me. More than take a easy now when they do social media. Maybe alone now they compound. More than suffer they shout. If una suffer talk, we go here with you na talk. Let me make that the way a part day YouTube no agree. Because I tell her say I talk and say YouTube not dey agree me that they shout too. You understand? If you dey live video for YouTube not dey agree maybe say you dey shout. So when the more people want to do YouTube, that don't not say she not go continue again because YouTube not dey agree when you dey shout. I say the shout, not be YouTube cut the live video that day. YouTube cut am because YouTube not dey agree too. Me person dey shout, it go be like saying a quarrel or fight. You understand? So I will put the video now. Mona see where they call police. Where police come at the Murphy house. I go put the video for now. Mona watch my darling people. Thank you. And before you start to the watch, if you never subscribe, you go subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you, my darling people. Bye.
Komm rein. Ja. Okay, wann schreibe ich? Wie viele Personen sind denn hier im Haus? Darf ich mal gucken? Nur für uns. Mal gucken, wer da ist. Hallo? Hallo. Sie sind die Frau? Ja. Geht es Ihnen gut? Ja, was ist passiert? Ist es gut? Ja. Alles ist quiet. Ja. Sicher? Ja, was ist okay, passiert? Wir wurden angerufen, wird ein bisschen laut sein. Wo ist laut?
Nein.
Kann ja schon mal vorkommen, dass man in der Familie ein bisschen lauter diskutiert.
Nein.
Nicht. Also nichts, alles gut. Alles bei allen alles in Ordnung.
Danke schön. Bitte, nächste Mal, wir haben Kinder hier. Nicht immer sowas machen. Das ist nicht gut. Das ist
Ich kann das verstehen, aber wir machen uns auch Sorgen. Und wenn man sowas reinbekommt, müssen Sie auch Verständnis für uns haben.
Bitte. Wieder außer. Wir sind wieder außer, ja. Das ist, was ich sage hier. Nicht mal Lüge. Lüge ist nicht gut.
Wie gesagt, wir wollten ja nur schauen, ob alles
Okay, danke. Danke. Ja. Gib to the neighbor Strafe. Gbàgbé kò wọn èyí náà sì wọ ẹ nínú o ló bọ àmì ńlá ọrùn ọwọ àwọn àgbọn èyí àbí ní èyí àkọ ẹsẹ náà ẹyẹ ní náà pé music.
Jesse, my lord. Jesse was shouting, not me.
Náà ní ìmọ̀ wá ní ìmọ̀. Dèrè mi á pé music náà èdè mi á pé music yẹn máa rí ẹgẹ ni dèrè mi máa pé music yẹn tó a.
If police come again,
Wa rovinha.
I have nothing to do with this.
Ya wa rovinha, wa binha wa bu. Egbe ma o kiyan. Le we wan re no la pe o wa me. Rovinha won ma. Very stupid people. We are gbon ati yan yo ni a gbo wan ni yan se yo. Na o wa gun. Abe wi ya. I'm going to get one we are mama. Nebo me na pe music. They make music one bo. Me me not a police my say on there. I won one year when you want to give away short video. Why you what the way you want making noise. Wa lo la police. So you need to get her. Our people don't make a fake. Being a police, we want to fake information. So everybody should be know where fake life or bungwe, fake information or bungwe. Even it's not like something you hear and you just react on it. Please let us know that this world there are people that do something funny sometimes. Like